Hi all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time of the day you are joining me. I'm Analyst Ankur. I'm back with another quick episode. I wrote about it yesterday on LinkedIn as well. And this is about how strong is the propensity among Indian automotive ancillaries to transition from Tier 1 to Tier 0.5 suppliers. Why this question came into my mind because I was going through an article which was talking about how Lumax Group, which opened their office in China in September 2025, are starting to transition from Tier 1 to Tier 0.5 supplier. So, what does this Tier 1, Tier 0.5 supplier means? And what is it? What is the significance of all of this? So, first thing first, what is a Tier 0.5 supplier? See, the more closer you are to an OEM, the lesser is the tier number. Tier 2 is the farther, 1.5. Now see point 1, which I have written. Let me zoom it a bit more. Increased share of suppliers in working with OEMs from design stage. See, it depends what is the dependency of the OEM on you. Is the OEM only demanding certain parts from you, demanding certain platform from you, or demanding even the design from you? Now see this statement. Increased share of suppliers in working with OEMs from design stage. M Foresight is an alliance for manufacturing. Foresight is an international agency which estimated global percentage to be close to be less than 50% in late 1980s, which has risen to 70% in 2011. Since 2011, there's no quantitative estimate globally, but my understanding of space suggests that this number has risen significantly globally. Then I checked the Indian context. How is the thing changing in the Indian context? I have not found much work since 2011 or 2000s, but I have found that 2018 was the time from which the set of firms which are written here have taken some effort. Tata AutoComp, Sona Comstar, Uno Minda, Spark Minda. They have done the effort to move from Tier 1 to Tier 0.5. They have tried to move towards it. When I say trying to move towards it, what all have they done is covered in point 4. Moving beyond discrete parts supplying to supplying integrated systems. See, the more closer you are to the OEM, the more stronger is the relationship and the more is the dependency on the ancillary. And you can see it another way that the OEM is now not just thinking on its own, but is thinking in tandem with the auto ancillary. So to give an example, Maruti Suzuki is thinking in tandem with Uno Minda or Lumax World. And for this reason, please understand the auto ancillary, which was earlier, just give me a second. The auto ancillary, which was earlier just supplying discrete parts, has to also broaden the capability. I will talk about what kind of capability broadening specifically needs to happen, but it will move beyond discrete supplying. It will take complete responsibility, purchase the underbody EV battery packs, and co-developing with OEMs from in concept stage, design stage. Sona Comstar is developing integrated EV driveline solutions. I have made a dedicated video on it as to what Sona Comstar is doing. Then another Lumax World established its China office in late 2025. Around September 2025 they did. So, and these are the set of the firms which are additions to the list since 2014. Gabriel India is there, Anand Group India is there, Bellrise Industries I'm closely watching. So it is interesting that these developments are also visible in my 2x2. See how to read my assessment. On the x-axis is the digital design. Let me zoom in. It is a digital design plus Industry 4.0 manufacturing. Design plus manufacturing is the x-axis. You can consider it SCADA plus MES plus advanced MES. Yeah. On the y-axis, it is about the post-manufacturing. In the post-manufacturing, we have what we call as after manufacturing, quality assurance, granular cost accounting, predictive spend analytics, after sales, aftermarket, CRM, dealer management, vendor management, all such things are in the post-manufacturing industry 4.0 capability. Now, when you are working closely with the OEM, what will happen? See what will happen. When you will work closely, x-axis is very important. You need to strengthen the digital design. When you are working closely, you need the similar precision as the OEM is working on. So MES solutions need to move beyond supplying discrete parts and integrate with precision and pace. On the y-axis, even if the CRM solutions or the dealer management or the vendor management solutions don't evolve much, the cost control and granular cost accounting needs to improve. Otherwise, how will you work closely with the OEM? You will not be able to match the competence and the cost control. So these three things are very important. And that's my take on how it is moving from tier 1 to tier 0.5. And I have put in a very interesting point here. Because in some of the articles I read tier 0.2 as well. So if anybody of you understands what's the significance of a tier 0.2, how sooner is it coming to existence, we can talk about it. Yeah, thank you. It was all about this video. Thank you.